Yesterday I conducted a sketching practice in a special format. It was a quiet, silent drawing without any explanation, without any conversation, and just 15 minutes of deep sketching, and that's it. And I like it very much, and so I would like to share with you some of my thoughts about this practice, why this format is useful for artists, and what can you get out of it, how it could help you to draw more confident, more consistent, maybe it is even more important. Just turn on your antennas of understanding. The first reason is think, synchronize. It means that when you are drawing with someone, it's when you see that someone is drawing, it is easy for you to join him or her and start drawing also. Your brain understand it, perceive it as you are drawing together, you're sketching together, and it could help people who struggle with procrastination, against procrastination, and for anxious people, and it will definitely help people who just cannot start drawing alone, who want company. The second reason is safety. When you try this type of practice, where you actually don't see the result, you focus on the process of drawing, you see another, your fellow artist, who is drawing from this angle and from this side, but not exactly the screen and the final result. You don't feel that pressure that you need to draw perfectly, be ideal, and can everything. You just want to join without any expectations. In this type of practices, we are focusing on our process, not on our results. Just sit and sketch as you can, as good or as bad or as strange and awkward. It doesn't matter, it's just practice. Reason number 3, it is a frame, and I'm talking about using timer with some time limitations. Yesterday it was 15 minutes. And when we use the timer, we don't need that pressure when we should decide for how long we should draw, where to stop, if our picture is not completed, or all that anxious things and all that thoughts which are boiling. When we use timer, it's like we are taking the responsibility of ourselves in a good sense. I mean that we turn on timer, 15 minutes we are drawing, and when it finished, we just stop, even if our picture is not complete. For this type of practice, it is enough. Then you just was doing it. The fourth reason is calm. When we practice this type of sketching, drawing together, not estimating our results, little by little our brain becomes to be more calm, more relaxed, and we can concentrate more, not jump from one thought into another, just focus on our current process. Reason why we need this type of sketching practice is presence. Even if I'm not talking to you while I'm sketching, I really hope that a lot of people, they could join me, maybe 2, 3, dozens, maybe hundreds of people all over the world could draw together with me and create that inspiring atmosphere. And at the same time, we don't know each other, and we don't have this awkward interaction effect. You can just stop drawing at that point that you want, just finish it and close your video, and that's it. No pressure. Today's word is no pressure. So I think that this type of video format where we draw together, it is not for watching, it is for doing something creative together. And I want to conduct these silent sketching sessions regularly. I hope it could happen every week on Sundays, and it would be wonderful if a lot of people all around the world can join me together in one friendly, creative community. We will start with short time limitations, 15 minutes, and slowly, step by step, we will move on. Calm, soft, but consistent. And now it's no excuses, it is time for sketching. Today I'm going to draw this reference. It is the fourth reference of the challenge, and today we are going to draw a portrait, the first time in these late days. You can find this reference in my Telegram channel, and the link is in the comments. It's my free online sketching community, and I would like to see your sketches also there, and I will be glad to give you feedback. So let's make our arms dirty. What I finally got on today's reference, and I would like to share you a couple of thoughts about my feelings. Today is the middle of my sketching challenge, the fourth day, and I feel that my skills step by step, they gradually become to improve, and also my confidence is becoming to improve. Okay. I also found out that I became much more disciplined, and it's a really good thing, because when you draw every day and you also promise to yourself and you to film all this process and show you understand that it will take a lot of time, and it means that you need to start from the morning, and you should work on it until you complete your goal, and after that you can be free. And if you at first you start to procrastinate or doing something else, you will never complete the goal, because just you don't have time. For people who don't film with YouTube videos, I will explain. At first you need to think about what are you going to talk about. It is scripting your text or maybe your bullet points. After that you should draw your sketch and film in it, and after that you should write everything. No, maybe you can do it in another way. At first you can fill your text, after that you can draw. No, it doesn't matter, it takes time. After that you need to edit everything. After that you need to write description, title, you need to make a cover for this video, and after that you need to upload it and write all your descriptions and keywords and so on into your YouTube account, and only after that you can relax. And I just want to show you that there is a lot of work and you need to complete it. If you just only film it, it doesn't count, because you are not what will you show me? That you did something at home. But I want the video, I want to watch it, so I need to do it. All this long explanation was about discipline, that if you try this approach, you need to be disciplined, and it is your winning point if you train it, because in your other life spheres you also have it. It is inside yourself, it is inside your brain, and it is very good. I like this outcome very much. And what we will have to the end of challenge, only God knows, because I have never expected such a rapid transformation. See you tomorrow. That's it for today, and tomorrow we will have another sketch, we will have another topic to discuss. I'm very glad you are here, and I hope it will be useful and you're thinking about sketching together. Maybe on this Sunday it will happen. It will be very nice. And I'm waiting for your sketches in my Telegram online free sketching community. The link is in the description. Hug every one of you, and see you tomorrow. Bye.